Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today I wanted to do an unboxing sharing a new tool that I have in my craft room, and it is the fabulous Scout. It's the Spellbinders Scout, and this is kind of a mini machine. Now I'm in Ireland, but I ordered this from Cloud9 Crafts. I think that's what it is, Cloud9 Crafts in Netherlands, and it was shipped really quickly. The box it came in had lots of packaging around it, so it was really nicely boxed and packaged. And the box itself came with lovely little tissue paper on it, and inside then were all these little things. Now I've took it out of the big box that it came in because it wouldn't fit on the desk and for ease for you to see it. But when I opened it, there was a lovely little card in it, and my husband Michael actually got it for me for my birthday, which is coming up soon. And it said, "Hi Michael, thank you so much for your beautiful order. Have fun with this very handy and light tool." And it had from Cornelia. Anyway, I thought that was really sweet, the little message in the box. It also comes with a couple of little stickers, enjoy and thank you. There was a little sweetie in as well, and I'm going to have that after I do the unboxing. And then a little card with their all their details, and I will put the details. I hope my camera is focusing. Can you focus, camera? Probably not, but I will put all the details down below. So it's Cloud9 Crafts in the Netherlands, and they ship to Europe. I don't know about America now because of, you know, tariffs, etc. But I was very pleased, and I have purchased from them once before, and I was very happy as well. So I'll leave these all down here. Let's see, we'll just get the placement nicely, and a couple of little stickers, etc. I also ordered a second pair of plates, and like you can see here, this is how the box came, you know, all wrapped up nicely with my extra plates in there. So I'm going to keep them wrapped up until I need them, because I didn't know how hard I don't know how hard this is going to be on plates. So I got an extra set, that way I have them if I need them. So this is the Spellbinders Platinum Scout die cutting machine. Now it does come in different colors. I have the Sizzix Big Shot, which has got loads of, it looks like rose foiling on it. And I've got the Big Shot Plus, which is the white, you know, basic white one. So I didn't want to go with one of the colors. I wanted to go white because all my other ones are white. So I went white with that one. So it tells you on the box what's inside. I do know that the Spellbinders are very like the Sizzix. The parts inside are metal. And if you have gotten a cheaper die cutting machine, which you have found kind of broke down after a while, some of them are made with plastic parts, and those can break. So that's what I loved about this. So inside we have our registration, and I'm going to do that now while I'm having lunch after this unboxing. We also have a booklet, and it gives us all the information that we need to know about and how to use it, etc. And then our sandwich. But what I like about the Spellbinders is on each of them it tells you what the sandwich is. So I love that. Okay, so we have the booklet, and then we have this lot. So this is our different plates. We also get an embossing folder. I'm going to take this out and then talk. Okay, because that was very noisy. So we get some little dies in here, and the dies say best wishes, and they make up some little flowers and everything. Isn't that lovely? We get an embossing folder, and it has flowers on it. And I think some of these flowers actually layer up on the embossing folder flower images. And then we get our plates. And I'll go through these in a minute. I'm going to take out the machine itself. So we also get a little Allen key and a nut and a ring. And I think these are extras for the handle. So I shall put those somewhere safe and then try to remember where I put it. Okay, so I'm going to move the box away. And this is the little machine. Isn't it lovely? We have a little gel thing inside. I'll throw that back into. And then it just opens down. And I'm right-handed, so it would go that way for me. And you can see it has Spellbinders Platinum. It's a lovely little size. But this is so cute. And I think it is all ready to go. Yeah, the barrel is turning there. So what do we get plates wise? Well, we have this white shim, and it feels like plastic. It's very thin. And you can see it F shim there. We have an embossing mat. We have an adapter plate. We have a cutting plate. There's some tissue paper between them because there's two plates for cutting. And then we have a platform top and a platform base. And you can see there on both of those, it tells you exactly how to go about your cutting, whether you're embossing or die cutting, how to build a standard embossing folder sandwich, how to build a 3D embossing folder sandwich, how to emboss a cut shape, and how to build a cutting die sandwich. So now, all I wanted to do was quickly do an unboxing and show you what comes inside this little Spellbinders Scout with all its plates and shims, etc. And then we have our embossing folder and our dies. And I'm going to use this in my crafting, and I will let you know in a post what I think of it. But I have to say, from the reviews I've seen, my crafty friend Benita from Under a Pile of Papers, she has one in black, and she's very happy with hers. So I really am looking forward to using this in my crafting. I think because of this longer plate, it's a bit wider than most, and it's much longer than most. I think I'll be using this a lot in my crafting. So that's it, folks. There's the unboxing of the Spellbinders Platinum Scout. Let me know in the comments if you have one and what you think of it, or whether it's something that you would like to purchase and you know, you're considering it. I would definitely recommend, if you're in Ireland or the EU, to have a look at Cloud9 Crafts. I found them very good price-wise. I found them very, very good. I had a look on all different sites, and I found Cloud9 Crafts, their prices were, I was very pleased with it. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have, you might give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Blonde Cards and Crafts, and ding the bell. That way you'll be notified next time I post a new video. You can share your makes with me on my Facebook group called Your Cards and Crafts. And if you'd like to help support my channel, you can click the super thanks button down below. That will help my channel. So thanks for watching. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.